everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you. Hey, I'm really excited today about a product review. I bought a new stove, got rid of that other one that I had, you'll see in my other videos. This one's flat to the counter. It only has two control knobs, very easy to use. Same 1800 watts. It's going to work so much better, don't have to worry about pans falling off like the other one did. And it gets hot when you turn it on, it gets cold when you turn it off. I give it a thumbs up. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.